What is the difference between expungement and sealing? Expungement means that the record would be destroyed entirely as if it never existed, versus when you seal a record, sealing that record will hide it from the public, so public agencies like landlords and employers, they do not have access to that record, but a sealed record will still be accessible to government agencies, so the court system and the police departments can see that record. You might be wondering, how do you know if you're eligible to expunge your record versus if you're eligible to seal your record? If you had a case that was dismissed or some special type of sentence on that case, it would make it eligible to be expunged. Oftentimes we'll have clients call our office and they'll think that they can expunge or seal a record based off whether they were charged with a misdemeanor or a felony, but it's not based off that. It's all based off of the outcome of your case, what you were sentenced to, whether your case was dismissed, whether you were found not guilty. That's what's important as to whether you can expunge or seal that case. Another case that's eligible to be expunged is if you were arrested and released without ever being charged, without ever going to court. Something like that is eligible to be expunged, and even though you never went to court, that arrest information may remain on your criminal background. If you had a case that resulted in some type of conviction, so that could be a sentence of conditional discharge, probation, or time served, that is a case that's typically eligible to be sealed. Not all cases that resulted in a conviction can be sealed, but most can. You can always give us a call and we can discuss whether you're eligible for that.